So to get a little technical on you, because I'm kind of geek out a little bit here for you, but it's made out of aluminum trihydrate. So if you imagine a quartz countertop, the glue that holds all those little chips together is aluminum trihydrate. That's what's gluing it together. So this is made out of resin and aluminum trihydrate. So it's actually like a dough they mix up and they pour into a batter. They pour it out into a mold and it's custom molded to your bathroom. Then we take these sheets and we bring them on site, and our craftsmen, which are highly skilled, will actually custom cut all this product on site to your home, and it goes in that way. Imagine going up to a Subway shop and you're standing in line and you want pickles on it, you want lettuce on it, you want tomatoes on it. It's all custom, right? Instead of waiting weeks in line to get to the front door of the Subway shop, I've got places already reserved for you and whoever else wants to call us, so that we can get your sandwich made quicker and faster and get it delivered to you more exponentially, if that makes sense.